What if light, literally all of it, came from invisible fields chasing each other through space? This is a video on electromagnetic waves. And we have to start with Maxwell's equations. The thing is, Maxwell's equations in mathematical form involve calculus, so I'll give you them in plain English. 1. Electric fields come from electric charges. 2. Magnetic fields form loops. They don't start or stop on anything. 3. A changing magnetic field creates an electric field. And finally, the last one, a changing electric field creates a magnetic field. The last one was Maxwell's breakthrough, because everyone knew a moving charge created a magnetic field. But Maxwell realized that even if there's no current flowing, a changing electric field could act just like a current. This insight completed everything and made electromagnetic waves possible. So this is how fields create fields which create waves. Imagine you take an electron and you start shaking it up and down. This creates a changing electric field. And then this changing electric field creates a magnetic field. And then this magnetic field creates a new electric field, and then the cycle continues. And this self-sustaining feedback loop is the birth of an electromagnetic wave. And here's the cool part, it doesn't require a medium. These fields carry themselves through empty space, unlike sound which needs air or water to travel through. Let me show you how electromagnetic waves look. We're going to have to set up our convention. So y, x, like normal. But then we also have to bring in z. It's going to be 3D. Here's our axis. And we have one wave going up and down like that. And then we also have one coming out this way, in this direction. This one is horizontal. And what's going on here is the upward direction one is an electric field. The magnetic field is in a perpendicular direction, so left and right. And the wave itself travels forward, which is perpendicular to both waves. This is why it's called a transverse wave. And these two fields, they are always, one, in sync, so they peak together and they dip together. 2, in phase, so the time is the same. And 3, they fall off in strength with a distance, like sound. And Maxwell even predicted the speed of the wave, which is known as c. And this is famous. It's equal to 1 over these constants. And what it's equal to is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second, roughly. Guess what this is? This is the speed of light. He plugged in the known values for constants from electrostatics and magnetism. And this is the exact speed of light. This is when scientists realized that light is an electromagnetic wave. So light is not a particle beam. It's not a vibration in the air. It's two invisible fields. And they're locked together. They're self-sustaining, like we were talking about. And they move through space without a medium. So things like radios and X-rays and sunlight come from accelerating charges, which triggers the self-sustaining cycle that creates an electromagnetic wave.